What is up, everybody? In this video we're going to be taking a look at Cosmos, or ticker symbol ATOM, crypto atom. Now 2464 at this very moment, I'm loving it. Now this is something that we are holding, or at least that I am holding, but there was a lot of requests to go ahead and chart it, see where we are, see where we could be going. Now I'm at the 4-hour right now. Now what does the 4-hour time frame or any of these time frames represent if you're brand new? Well, these time frames represent one candle price action. So bulls pushing it up, bears dragging it down, all of that going on in one of these time frames. Of course, for 1-hour time frames is a 4-hour candle. Two 30-minute time frames, or two 30-minute candles, is a 1-hour candle, so on and so forth. So let me get this here, and actually let's go back to the 4-hour. Now because I'm holding this, my price targets, which are usually 48 to 72 hours, I would say this price target is most likely going to be a week, but there is something that can change that. Now, Cosmos does have a massive product launcher, not really product, but system or infrastructure launch this month, and I believe it was the 18th, so as the making of this video, it's tomorrow. Now, Atom chart already looks really good, really bullish, except for one tiny thing, one minor detail, which we will go over here as well. So, looking at the chart right off the bat, we are making consistent higher lows. Like many things right now, we are in a sea of green. DF over here 60 or 76% up. So like many things, we are bullish on the chart. Now this retracement here would be the start of a new impulse, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can find support right here at 2250 with that Fibonacci retracement. So Fibonacci retracement from the beginning to the end of the impulse, and we can see we almost touch that 38% retracement at 2196, but we did bounce. So where are we going? What is the price target? And this is speaking purely purely technical, with no fundamentals involved. That means this price target is not accounting for the Stargate launch that Cosmos is doing. This is purely technical. Where could we go though? Now I'm thinking right up around $26 for the 24 to 48, or for the 48-hour to 72-hour target, and then a week out I'm looking at I believe 30, but let me go ahead and draw this extension here and we will get the exact target. Oh, down a little bit more here. Try and get as precise as we can, right? So yeah, I'd be looking right between the 29.75 and 31.72 area for my sell targets if I was attempting to scalp something off of this bounce. Now, yes, the MACD on the 4-hour is downward sloping, but let's go ahead and take that to the 1-hour and see if we're breaking back to the upside, which it does appear we're doing. We are beginning to get that upside coming in, and this actually would be our buy signal here. Now again, stochastic up here only accounting for about 10% of our decision making does show that, hey, you do have room to move up. Now the only thing that is kind of concerning here, and I'll go back to the 4-hour, just something to watch out for, is this bearish divergence. I believe I spotted this, yeah, between here and here, and here and here. So price action is making this bullish move, or we're getting momentum to the upside, and the index is showing something different. We had, kind of the downward peak that we never ever want to see in one of these bullish movements. Now, fundamentals coming in could change that, but purely on a speculative level, coming 100% technically, that is something to watch out for. So on this next push, we do want to see the index make a higher move, okay, thus confirming that we can continue this bull trend. Now this means we may actually come down and touch this 2243 again. So if you do see that drop, that is not something to be alarmed with. Now what would make this chart then look bearish? Well, what would make this chart look bearish is if we break down below this previous bounce spot at $20, and let's just say $20.25. Now, breaking below $20.25 would definitely signal that this may be a bearish reversal, but we are holding nonetheless. So if you are to get into here, your downside would be that $20.25 level. However, your upside would be that $31.78 level, and those would just be the levels that I am looking out for. Now, if you guys want a chart to be analyzed, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. I will try and give my best analysis, technically, completely unemotionally. Some say, sociopathic trader. But that's how you have to be. We don't get FOMO, we don't panic sell, we simply look at the technicals and act on that. We also have the live show that we try and do every day of the week for at least an hour. Definitely try and do my best to get on there, answer questions that you may have about charting or technicals, and also do the live analysis that you would otherwise be commenting for and then waiting for, which I do have quite a list right now. So if you want something looked at, leave it down below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe.